Hello everyone, and this is a nice evening. Welcome. This is not a shaving video, but an unboxing video just of two small packages from Yaqi that I bought. And it's also a tip if you're looking for some inexpensive shaving brushes. This is from Yaqi. Now, these brushes, this one right here, it cost me around just below $9 with shipping. The only reason for that is that right here there's a black dot. This brush right here cost me just below $9 with shipping, and there's supposed to be something with the handle discoloring, but I don't see it. And I also have others. So excuse me, if you're looking for inexpensive brushes from Yaqi, just go to their AliExpress site and then type in defect. The brush isn't defect. It works. You just have to live with a minor error, either like this or something else, or perhaps the color of the resin went wrong or something like that. But the brush works. It's just not like it's supposed to look according to, the standard. Let's see what we got. I bought two defect brushes from Yaqi. Here they are. There's something else in there as well. Alright, free gifts, nice. So, let's have a look. First, the brushes. There is a brush inside, so that's good. Ooh. I don't know if you're picking how the camera is picking up this. It looks extremely nice. 24mm. And apparently this is a defect brush where there is a fault in the handle. But I don't see anything wrong with it. Nice one. Second brush. Also, $9. Below $9 with shipping. Cannot argue against that. Next brush. Now, I don't know the name of that, but I know the name of this. $24mm as well. Bit of hard, stiffer backbone on this one. Again, there should be something wrong with this handle, a defect. But I don't see anything wrong with it. So that's in the comment down below. So this is a nice, very inexpensive way to get a shaving brush from Yaqi if you want to. Currently there's a lot of defect brushes. Alright, there's something else in here as well, but I don't quite know what it is. And I didn't buy this. This was sent to me as a gift. So thank you very much, Yaqi. How do I get into this? Two. Nice. It's another brush. Ooh. Very, very nice. Thank you, Yaqi, for the free gift. Also quite a bit good backbone on this. Every one of these brushes will be cleaned, scrubbed, and ready to be used. And I'll do videos on each and every one of them. And there's also another brush. Yeah, there's another brush actually on its way here as we're speaking, which is primarily meant to be kept in the drop kit. So that's it. Where was it? I mean, come on, below $9 with free shipping from Yaqi to your home. Takes about a month, but I'll get there. But there's nothing wrong with this brush. There's a tip for you. Enjoy your evening, and I'll see you tomorrow at the shaving. Goodbye.